New Haven, Connecticut, a man believed to be a Jamaican has been indicted by the federal government in a lottery scamming scheme. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. A Jamaican national living in Waterbury has been indicted on charges stemmed from the scheme that defrauded millions from elderlies, officials said. Are released on Thursday. The U.S. Attorney of the District of Connecticut office said Howard Chambers, a 32-year-old Jamaican citizen, was indicted by federal grand jury in New Haven and charged with fraud and money laundering offenses stemmed from his alleged participation in a sweepstakes scam that defrauded preliminarily elderly victims. The United States Attorney Office said that the indictment was returned on Tuesday and Chambers was arrested Thursday morning. It is said he appeared before U.S. Magistrate Judge Maria Garcia in New Haven. He entered a not guilty plea for each of the charges and was released on a $150,000 bond into home detention with electronic monitoring pending trials. The United States office said that the indictment alleged that since at least 2018, Chambers and others used the sweepstakes scheme to induce preliminarily elderly victims to provide them with money. As part of the scheme, he said scamming notified victims typically by telephones that they want a publisher's clearinghouse sweepstake. The victims are told that in order to collect the winnings, they must pay a fee and taxes, it said. Following the initial phone call, Chambers and others mailed the victims fake documents, including winning notification letters from Publishers Clearinghouse and a letter from Internal Revenue Service stating that the victims were required by law to pay taxes on their winnings. The United States Attorney Office said that the victims sent cash, money orders, or checks through the mail to various addresses to Connecticut, including an address in East Hartford and throughout the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, the incident has Chambers now on house arrest because the indictment also alleged that Chambers and others moved money received from victims through various accounts in different company names, including a limited liability registered in connected with Chambers as its manager, member, and agent. Conspirators sometimes use victims as intermediate to receive money from other victims and then move that money to members of this scheme. For example, the United States Attorney Office said at least one victim received check and cash in the mail from people she believed were sponsors who were helping her pay the fee to receive her winnings, but actually were other victims. It said the victim deposited the check into her bank account, withdrew cash, and mailed the cash to various addresses as directed by the conspirator. The U.S. Attorney Office said that indictment charged Chambers with one count of conspiracy to commit mail fraud and wire fraud, and 5 counts of mail fraud and 1 count of conspiracy to commit money laundering. Each of these offenses carries a maximum term of imprisonment of 20 years, he said. These are the medicine that you receive when you go run in, sooner or later, you have to go cut the paper. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting a Jamaican native, a Jamaican national, a Jamaican man, run comma Uncle Sam. And what ain't gonna do? Ain't gonna rip off the elderly woman and man. They said he has been caught in a scheme in New Haven. Right now, him upon house arrest of defrauding millions from elderlies, the official said. Right now, Uncle Sam have him a wait for get locked in at the feds. More life, more joy. Leave your comment. I want to hear what you have to say. If this is reparation, or if it's just plain out thievery. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. If you want to hear the truth, yeah, subscribe to Deep Roots. More life, more joy, yeah, more nappiness. Stay blessed.
So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them X with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them X with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang man, ang kawan yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Now me I say, this is Star speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwal. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.